So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have Hyper-V turned off. So if it's currently ticked, you want to untick it. Then you want to expand this. Make sure that you have everything here under Hyper-V also turned off. So disable everything here. Next, we're going to scroll down to Virtual Machine Platform. You want to enable that. So we're going to scroll down until we find Virtual Machine Platform. You want to tick the box. And now under it, it's going to be saying Windows Hypervisor Platform. You want to tick the box for this. You want to enable this. Next, you want to disable Windows Sandbox. We're going to scroll down. It's going to be saying Windows Sandbox. Make sure that you have this unticked. And then click on OK. It's now going to start searching for required files. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start applying for changes. Now once that's been done, it's going to be saying Windows completed the requested changes. You want to select Don't Restart. You do not want to restart your computer yet. Make sure that you select Don't Restart. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bcdedit /set hypervisor launch type off, and then click on enter. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.